What's up, everybody? Stay with us. We're gonna do a quick video letting you hear the exhaust sound on the Transformers Bumblebee car. Yeah, the Chevy Camaro SS for 2012. Stay with us. This one's got a Borla exhaust, also has a cold air intake system on it, so we'll let you hear under the hood and the exhaust on a vehicle with just around 80,000 miles on it that's for sale right now at Southern Motor Company. Oh yeah, it really is Bumblebee, y'all. But anyways, let's go ahead and have a listen. Sounds really nice. Everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed hearing the Bumblebee, how it sounded. I thought it sounded pretty good. Not bad. Borla exhaust sounds really nice on the Camaro. It's a good exhaust system. It's been around a long time. Guys and girls, if you're interested in buying a Camaro like this, please hit me up at Southern Motor Company. You got it. Your boy Chad at Charleston Car Videos. Always trying to get out there and show you something a little bit different. But for the most part, hopefully helping you find the exact pre-owned car you've been looking for. We'll see you soon.